Corona Consciousness, Part 6. So our spiritual practices, our practices in general, our habits, are a vehicle for us to express our divinity, not to attain it. Now I'm going to let that just like sit in there for a second. Meditation, yoga, breath work, whatever you do, prayer, is not a vehicle to attain our divinity, but a portal to express it. It already exists within each and every one of us. It doesn't subscribe to a specific dogma or way of operating in order to be, quote unquote, enlightened or good enough or whatever the case may be. A lot of people in our world have these fixed beliefs and these ideas and identities based on their yoga practice or whatever the case may be, that is the thing that makes them spiritual or good enough or divine. No, it's like cleaning your house, right? You clean your house because you want to enjoy a clean house. Every once in a while it gets dirty, so you keep cleaning it. But you are more than the house. You're everything. You're all of it. You can leave the house. So your practices are just you cleaning the house. Feels good to have a clean house. And whether the house is clean or not, God is. Love is. And you are that. And everything else. Hope that lands for you. Blessings and blessings. Hurrah!